Hi, I'm Mark Davison. I'm part of the rfxcel team, and we're talking today about serialization and the impact that it can have on your business. And my background, I've been in this industry over 10 years, so I've seen the serialization industry from its very beginnings in pharmaceuticals through to where it is now, which is maturing rapidly, and people are starting to realize the added value of certain implementations and certain solutions over others. And hopefully today we can give you some insights as to some of the key things you should think about when you think about your serialization program, both for complying with the law in the jurisdictions that you need to be compliant, but also in looking for added value. Where's the business benefit of doing this? And hopefully we'll show that there's more to it than just being compliant. One of the first things that I'm often asked as somebody who's been around for a while in this field is, what does serialization actually mean? Because as a concept, it's pretty simple, right? You add a number to each unit that you make, a different number, so that you can tell the difference between them. But beneath that simplicity is a really interesting and complex business integration and frankly, a business risk as well. Serialization typically will add 4 orders of magnitude to your supply chain visibility. So today you can see your supply chain to resolution of the batch, several thousand products which are indistinguishable once they leave your warehouse. Tomorrow, each of those products has a serial number, so it's a different thing, it's a different entity. You need to handle the data that's associated with that unique entity, just as you handle the inventory. And in fact, it makes it much more complex as well, because you have to make sure that that data stays with full integrity all the way through your ownership of it, and you pass it on to the next people in the supply chain in good shape, ready for them to use. So with that fantastic increase in the resolution of our supply chain comes a big increase in the potential hazard due to data risk. And that's why you need to think very carefully about who you trust to manage those risks on your behalf and who your solution provider needs to be. Here at rfxcel, we think we have a very fantastic solution that will help you get there and bring some of those compliance must-dos as well as some of those business benefits that we'll move on to.